In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase with Lovable in an easy step-by-step tutorial designed specifically for extreme beginners. We'll walk through the entire process, making sure you understand each detail along the way. Let's dive right in. First up, we want to get started by heading over to the Lovable project page. This is where you'll find all the options and features at your fingertips. Once you're on the Lovable page, look for the section labeled Submit and See. This is your starting point, where all the magic begins. Now, the next step is crucial as it involves establishing a connection with Supabase. You'll need to find the button that says Connect Supabase. This will initiate the linking process. Once you found it, give it a click. If you're unsure, remember that this is the gateway that allows Supabase to start communicating with Lovable, so make sure you're in the right place. After clicking, it's time to sign in. If you already have a Supabase account, simply log in using your credentials, but if you need to create an account, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to set up your new account. A quick note here. Make sure you jot down your login information securely as you'll need it for future access. This account will be the core of your interaction between Supabase and Lovable. Once you've successfully signed in, the next screen you'll encounter is all about authorizing API access. This step is important because it grants the necessary permissions for Lovable to interact with your Supabase data. Click on the Authorize button and remember to review the permissions being requested. You're essentially giving Lovable permission to manage and access specific parts of your Supabase account, so make sure you're comfortable with the permissions before proceeding. Now, with the access authorized, you're ready to create an organization within Lovable. Think of this as setting up the workspace where you'll manage your projects. Head to the section where you can create a new organization. Enter the required details such as the name of your organization and then save it. This step is crucial as it establishes the framework within which you'll operate and manage your tasks and resources efficiently. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully connected Supabase to Lovable. You've set up your account, authorized access, and created your organization. This setup not only empowers you to manage your projects efficiently, but also enhances collaboration and data management between the platforms. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow and you feel more confident navigating between Supabase and Lovable. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.